Welcome to the 5th episode of the series Discord Bots 101 using the discord.py library version 2. In this episode we are going to talk about slash commands and compare them to message commands, also known as prefix commands. While using message commands, every command starts with a predefined prefix like an asterisk or a dot, and some bots let you change the default prefix for your server. Slash commands, like the name implies, start with a slash, and this cannot be changed. Slash commands have many advantages over message commands. Some of them are client-side validation. They provide a list of commands. Commands are self-documented, so there is no need for a help command anymore. Autocomplete features, better control over permissions, and more. If you want to read more about slash commands, check out the links in the description. Let's dive into our code. We will create a hello slash command which takes a parameter with a default value of master. If you enter your name, the bot will greet you with your name, else it will call you master. The only difference between the hello and the ping command is the decorator and the first argument of the command. In the ping command, the first parameter is of type context, but in the hello command it is of type interaction. The interaction object does not have a send function. Instead we use the respond send message function. Also, the decorator is now bot tree command. The tree property is of type command tree and is a special container that holds all the application commands. So let's create our slash command. So if we start the bot and try to run the hello command by typing a slash, we notice that it isn't available. So let's start the bot. So if we type a slash, we notice that the command isn't available. This is because we need to register a slash command to Discord. We shouldn't automatically sync the commands on startup. Thus we better create a message command that does the work for us. So let's create the message command. Now we need to save our file and restart the bot. So again we type a slash we type a slash and we don't see the command. Now if we run the sync command, it says that the slash commands are synced, and if we type the slash, the command is still not visible. But if we go to server settings, integrations, under the dev bot, we now see that the hello command is synced. FYI, it takes up to 10 minutes for all commands to sync across all servers that the bot is seen, so have patience.
2 very boring minutes later.
So now that the command is visible, we can test it. First we test it without providing an argument, so it says hello master as expected. Then we type in a name and the command works perfectly. So as I mentioned earlier, slash commands are self-documented, but we don't see a description neither for the command nor for the name parameter, so let's add something. So in order to add a description for the command itself, we just need to provide a doc string, simple hello command. But to add a description for the name parameter, we need to import something. From Discord, import app commands, and then add this as a decorator dot describe. Then we provide the name of the parameter, which is name, and then we type here, enter your name, default is master. So we save, we restart the bot, and we need to sync again. Now we have to wait again for a bit.
Few moments later.
So now we can see the description for the command and also the description for the parameter. So one last thing I need to make clear is that the hello command is a global command, which means it will be synced across all servers the bot is in. In the next video we will learn about guild commands, which are only available in the servers we specify. For your convenience, I created a GitHub repository where I uploaded the code I use in the videos. The repository will be updated every time I upload a new episode. Also, the community tab is now enabled in my new YouTube channel, and I will try to post updates as often as possible. All links are available in the description of the video. That was all for this episode. If you liked the video, press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for new video uploads. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.